Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is a very fun video. I will be teaching everyone here watching how to do a heel stretch. So let's get started. So first off, you're going to want to be stretched, but I'm not going to do a stretching video right now. If you do want to learn how to stretch with me, all you have to do is leave a like on this video and go to my discussion post and comment down below any video ideas. So now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find your good side. So if you want to find your good side, all you're going to have to do is follow along with me. You're going to go into your lunge right here, like this, either way, either side, but we're going to do both. And we're going to really stretch out our hips. Then we're going to go into reverse lunge and stretch out our back. And we're going to do that on both sides. So follow along with me, please. So you're going to want to be able to do this on your own for about 10 seconds a few times because you really want to stretch out those hips to be able to do this. So today we're only going to be focusing on one side. But if you do want to dance professionally, you need to do both. So once you have your good side, split. So yours might be the right here, or it might be your left here. Mine is the left, but a lot of people in the world are their right. So you'll have to find it on your own. Once you do that, all you're gonna have to do is get your straddle split, which is very, very important. If you don't have your straddle split, it's very, very, very difficult to be able to do a heel stretch. So how to get your straddle split, you're gonna just stand up on your feet, and you're gonna open them and slowly slide down until you're sitting in the sitting position. So once you're comfortable with that, you got this. So now that we are all stretched and we found our good side, now it's time to start the hard work. So first off, all you're going to want to do, and this is really easy, you're going to want to be able to find something you can hold on to. I have a little table here, but you can pick a wall, the window, a chair, a table like me, anything you want, couch, bookshelf, anything. And all you're going to do is hold on to that thing, and you're going to bring your leg at a 90-degree angle like this. And you can hold it or you don't have to. And you're just going to like that or like this. And you're going to want to hold that for at least 30 seconds because you really would like to build up strength in that leg. So once you've got that and you're pretty comfortable with that, it doesn't hurt that bad, it's kind of comfortable, it's going to get a little bit harder. You're going to hold on to the thing you have, and you're going to bring your leg up like this, just like this, and you're going to hold it. And so your knee is not touching, but it's really close to your rib cage. So you're going to want to hold it like this for another 30 seconds. Now it's time to do the actual heel stretch. If you are ready and prepared, keep going. If you're not, just keep stretching and come back to this video after you're done. What you're going to want to do is you are going to hold on to the thing you have. Grab the heel, not the toes. Heel. Not the middle of your foot, the heel. Got it? The heel. And you're just going to pull it up. It might start off like this. That's perfectly fine. But slowly you are going to want to pull it up like this. Now, if this does not satisfy you enough, I can help you with that. Alright? So, if you want a challenge, keep going. You're going to want to grab the outside of your heel. Alright? So grab the outside outside of your heel and pull your leg up. And really focus on pointing your toe. And you're gonna see that you are almost in a split position like this. This is the harder option, but it looks prettier. Now remember, we're still holding on to our objects. Now if you would like to stretch out your heel stretch even more, you're going to grab the outside of your heel, not the inside. The inside will not let you do that because the outside has more flexibility. You're gonna grab it up like this. And if you really feel confident, all I want you to do is tilt your body towards the thing you're holding and pull your leg with your body. So you're gonna get pretty big overstretch, this, or even lower, or higher.
I'm just letting you guys know that if this is your first time ever doing a heel stretch, don't expect to be able to do it on the first try. I am trained to do this professionally, but if you're doing this for the first time, it won't be easy, but keep trying and you will be able to do it. Now that I've taught you the basics of getting a heel stretch, let's go harder.
Now we're gonna try without our objects. So give them away, don't need them anymore. Let's start from the scratch. What you're gonna wanna do is very, very carefully pick up your leg like this and hold it. But you're not holding on to anything. It will be tricky, but you'll be able to do it eventually. Then we're going to want to do the next thing. Do you guys remember? Like if you remember what we're gonna do next. If you guessed this, you're right. Great job. Give yourself a pat on the back. You got it. So once you get comfortable with this, we're going to very carefully put our hand on the inside of our heel and lift it up. This is just the regular way to do it. Just hold that. So once you have that, you're good. You're done. You did it. But if you want to try something harder, stick around. Put your hand on the outside of your heel and pull your leg up. It'll be trickier, but it will be prettier. Point your foot. Got it? Point. So much more beautiful rather than flexed or just hanging. Once you've got that and you want to try something harder, you can always tilt. But that is more tricky and you'll be more likely to fall. So make sure you have a soft surface underneath you. Once you've done that, we did it! Yay! You can do a heel stretch now. I'm so proud of you. If you want more videos just like this one, all you have to do is like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified every single time I post a video just like this one. All right, see you guys next time. Bye!